Once upon a time, all birds were white. "Make me beautiful, Grandfather Magic," said Woodpecker. "Come, I will paint you a beautiful color," said Grandfather Magic. Woodpecker was now red. A little bird looked at Woodpecker. She wanted to look beautiful too. "This is my favorite flower," said the little bird to Grandfather Magic. "Will you paint me the same color as this flower?" Grandfather Magic painted the little bird a beautiful yellow. The yellow bird went to Woodpecker. "Look how beautiful I am, Woodpecker," said the yellow bird. No, I am more beautiful than you," argued Woodpecker. Oriole tried to calm them down by holding them apart. During the fight, the yellow color of the little bird mixed with the red color of Woodpecker. Oriole became orange. "Oh, orange, oh, really, oh, orange, oh, really," the parrot teased Oriole. Oriole chased after them angrily. "Oh, Grandfather Magic," cried the parrots, "please save us." "Come, let me paint you all green," he offered. The green parrot showed off their color to Kingfisher. "Where did you get this beautiful color, dear parrots?" "Go to Grandfather Magic," they chirped. Kingfisher liked the color of the sky, so Grandfather Magic turned her blue. Kingfisher went to meet Woodpecker. As they were talking, Pigeon crashed into them. "Oh no!" A little bit of red from Woodpecker mixed with a little bit of blue from Kingfisher. Pigeon looked at the smudge of purple on her. "Purple looks good on me," she thought. While Grandfather Magic painted pigeon purple, all the birds joined them. "What a wonderful rainbow of colors!"